Welcome, the film is a Xiaomi Mi 10 and today I will show you how to record a screen. So to get started, all you really need to do is pull down the notification panel, and I believe it's on the second page. Yep, there it is. So you have the screen recording toggle. Now before you tap on it, I think you can hold it to go. Let's see the settings, there we go. So there is settings. So once more, basically we want to hold that and go into these settings where you will have actual options to customize it, starting with the resolution. So resolution I would actually keep by the default one, so it's the highest one. Unless you're struggling with the space on your device, then I'll just drop it to, for instance, 720p, but anything lower will be just abysmal. Then video quality, the higher you go, the better the video quality, but the more space it will take as well. And probably 16 is good. I would probably even drop 8 if I'm struggling with space. If you're planning to use it on YouTube, it won't really matter because YouTube already trashes all the content to absurd amount when it comes down to like the quality of it. So choose whatever you want then. And then frame rate, this bring it up all the way to 60. That's the only way I would accept it. As well, the higher you go, the more space it will take, but in case of a frame rate, I do not advise on going 30. If you're planning to, for instance, use it for YouTube purposes, it will just look bad. And once it's set, you can then leave this area here and go back to the toggle and just simply tap on it. And you can see right here it's recording, and then whatever you do will be now recorded, as you will see soon. So once you're done, all you need to do is tap on this, tap on the mark there, and there we go. You can tap on this to view it here, and let's just play it. Hello, I think the phone lagged. Yep. Let's go to the gallery, and it should be somewhere in here. Is that it? Yep, that's it. There we go. So now it's playing. As you can see, it recorded everything that I did for that brief moment. And yeah, so that's basically how you can record stuff. And the time, how long you'll record, is only based on how much storage you have on your device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.